Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is the day after the snow. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. I just come inside the van to warm my hands up because it's literally buried in ice. Look, let me show you guys. No, look. I just moved some snow from here so I could actually get inside the van to start it up, to warm up myself. Ah, look, literally. Huh? Yeah, I want to move it from the door. What about the back wheel? Look guys, look, literally buried in snow. It's a lucky thing I came and cleaned it yesterday, so it's not that bad today. But around it, because the plow passed, and when the plow passed through, this is what happened. We're literally buried in snow. Look, all those vehicles buried in snow. Look at the snowbank. Look, I just clean out there to, you know, and look, snow is still coming down. Still coming down. So, oh my god, my hands are freezing guys. So huh? Yes sir. It is right up on the front of the car, right up on the front. That's it. And a big difference. Yeah. We finally get help. Oh my gosh, this is the top now. We use the shovel and push off the top. I'm not driving tomorrow. I heard that was supposed to, the guys are supposed to get snow tomorrow, but I don't see it in the forecast.
It's supposed to be raining.
Rain?
And it's going to create 3 inches of ice.
Oh jeez.
Yeah. That's why it's better to do it today.
Yeah.
Because those who don't get their car out today, they're going to have a problem tomorrow.
Not find the what? Stay for Axel burn if you.
Turn the wheel this way and try. And try to come this way. Ooh! Oh my goodness.
The other side of this. I don't want it to get stuck.
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah.
I still wanted to brake. Okay. You should be good.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, she should be good.
No, it's not so cold. The gloves make my hand colder than when I not have on the gloves. See this guys? Oh jeez, and we'll get more snow. I'll try another slush. Slushy.
I'm trying to make it soft.
You come out of the road, I'm trying to make it soft. Oh. See everybody trying to dig out themselves. See? That down there.
Ooh, okay, yeah, I feel like on my ears now.
You want me to go back?
Yeah, you can go back
Wait. What's that?
What? Should they go through this? Shucks, such a. I can't even pass.
I was like, thank you. So you're welcome.
The whole place is a mess. Look. Total mess. So try to dig out. Tell me when I can go back.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, you coming out?
No, I'm gonna see if I can back up.
Oh, I'm not coming out now. We're just trying to clean around.
Oh,
So I'm good.
I'll be coming out.
Oh.
No, you're fine. Now you should make a mistake.
Hopefully you can get a park when you get back home.
My son said somebody cleaned me out last night.
Okay.
Hope you can get park when you come back home.
I know.
And that's one of the things I'm not going to drive for the rest of the week.
That's what I was thinking.
Because I come home too late.
Because when I get out too late and then
Me too. I get off 7:30. By the time I get here, it's like 8 after 8. And I'm not going to get in the park. I can't work 12 hours and come home driving around for an hour. It's easy. I take the train and just cut. The 3 days not going to kill me. Oh, 3 days not going to kill me. And then the Uber prices now are very high. If you know, you work far from here?
I am in New York.
Oh, New Rochelle. Probably if you get private taxi, because they're always around, probably that would be better.
But the Metro don't go.
New Rochelle, the Metro not just right here.
No, that one doesn't go.
Oh, it's the one in Mount Vernon, yeah.
You
Oh.
think you're good from here, or you want me to do a little bit more fun?
How around yours?
Change it out up there.
Huh?
He said that he might have to change it out up there.
Change it out for?
No, change it out. 20.
I asked him for 20.
Yeah.
So the 20 this?
Yeah. Okay.
So change out what?
You have it in your hands, I'm gonna show you that. Say, walk on it.
All around this, a look.
Yeah, move it.
Alright, let me back up and see. Oh my gosh. Let me back
You know
up.
my services bring? Tomorrow I'll come and see if it's good. If not, I'll do it again. For free.
How am I going to see you tomorrow?
Huh?
How am I going to see you tomorrow?
I'm going to come down.
That's the best we can get done, guys. That's the best. Okay. Oh my gosh. You can walk there. Huh?
Jump in it?
Jump in what? Oh, please. Oh, God. How am I going to get back to the sidewalk? Shit. Boy. I'm sinking. Ah. Look, guys. Snow. Right now, I'm just going. I'm going to wrap up. Keep myself warm for the rest of the day. Till tomorrow. Oh my gracious. Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. That's it. We're snowed in. Huh? That probably is a 4-wheel drive. The thing is, you don't want to turn ice. When you turn, you see, alright, just see that spot? When you turn ice, no vehicle longer can go in there so easy. Not so easy. That's why I have to make sure. Clean out the bus. So when you see all the bonnet I sell burn one this morning. The whole of this. Full of snow. I'm not moving vehicle anyhow. Watch out. That's snowing. Oh, you what side are you on? You can't come out?
Yeah. Look come out, look there and go back.
Okay, good.
I make they go to wheel in there, so.
Good, at least I can get in. Get inside. Hello. It's all clean here, so you? Hey, the landlord, they walk this bad, you know, man.